you want confidence, then stop waiting for it. If you think that you're gonna wake up in the morning and you're just one day gonna feel the confidence in yourself, or you're just looking in the mirror and you're gonna feel the confidence, that's not how it's gonna work. It's not how it works. So stop waiting for it, because the confidence doesn't just come knocking on your door and be like, surprise, I'm here now. That's not how it works. The real confidence is something that you create, something that you live, and something that you decide to be. You really have to be convinced. You need to know who you are, and you need to know that you're a confident person. And how does that come? Confidence is not about being the loudest person in the room. It's not about the perfect face, the perfect body, the perfect style. That's not where confidence starts. It's not that.